How to find legitimate work-from-home jobs in 2026 Vertical Bar Beginner's Guide. Are you looking for a work-from-home job, but keep running into scams or fake job offers? The good news is that thousands of legitimate remote jobs are available right now. You just need to know where to look.
In this video, I'll show you the best work-from-home jobs for beginners, where to find them, and how to avoid common scams. Section 1. Best work-from-home jobs. If you're new to remote work, here are some of the best jobs to consider. Virtual assistant. Help businesses manage emails, schedules, and daily administrative tasks.
Customer service representative. Assist customers through phone, email, or live chat. Freelance writer. Write blog posts, website content, and marketing copy for businesses. Data entry. Organize and update information in spreadsheets and databases. Social media manager. Followers and help brands grow online.
The best part? Many of these jobs don't require a college degree. What matters most is your willingness to learn and deliver quality work.
Can you find genuine remote jobs? Start with trusted platforms like LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed, Upwork, Fiverr, Remote OK, WeWork Remote.
If you're serious about working from home, hit subscribe. So where can you find genuine remote jobs? Start with trusted platforms like
Create a professional profile, upload an updated resume, and apply consistently. Remember, finding the right job takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't receive an offer immediately.
Section 3. Avoid scams. Unfortunately, not every online job is legitimate. Watch out for these warning signs. Employers asking you to pay a registration fee.
promises of huge earnings with little or no work, requests for sensitive banking or personal information before you're hired, pressure to accept an offer immediately. A legitimate company will explain the role clearly, interview you if necessary, and never ask you to pay to get started.
The key is to use trusted job platforms, build valuable skills, and stay alert for scams.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on remote work, freelancing, and making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.